Ho ho ho, you ready for Christmas?
Ready? You break in houses, I guard them.
I bring gifts, not trouble.
Yeah, with muddy boots and criminal energy.
I see everything on Christmas night.
So you saw yourself eating all the cookies?
I need energy for deliveries.
You need portion control and a warrant.
My sleigh flies across the world.
Pulled by tired deer and false hope.
They love their job.
Love? One's nose glows from stress.
I've done this for centuries.
And still no GPS or fitness plan.
Experience beats youth.
Not when you're out of breath on rooftops.
Naughty birds get coal.
Rich coming from a chimney squatter.
Coal builds character.
So does jail time.
I deliver millions of gifts.
And zero apologies for breaking in.
Doors are unlocked for me.
Yeah, by parents lying to kids.
This suit is iconic.
Iconic? It's a walking laundry bill.
It spreads holiday cheer.
It spreads crumbs and bad decisions.
You'd be nothing without Christmas.
You'd be nothing without free milk.
That's tradition.
That's dependence.
Respect Santa, young parrot.
Respect locked doors, pajama bandit.
Kids trust me.
Kids trust clowns too, still scary.
Ho, ho, ho. Christmas is mine.
You're just a seasonal home invader.
I bring joy, not fear.
Then explain kids screaming when you're mentioned.
Respect the suit.
It's a walking red warning sign.
It represents tradition.
It represents unchecked cookie abuse.
Ho ho ho. All right, Rio.
My reindeer are legendary.
Legendary. They look one sleigh away from retirement.
Rudolph leads proudly.
Yeah, glowing nose, zero union rights.
Slow down around here.
Tell your maternal that.
That's unnecessary.
On your snack drawer.
What are you dressed as?
Someone with a better costume than you.
I tried my best.
Try again, Walmart warrior.
Parking. This is illegal parking.
So is that hairline.
Stop talking about my hair!
Grow some then.
You hear that?
Yeah, Thunder Thighs incoming.
Real funny.
Nature documentary vibes. Ha ha ha.
Cheap chair.
Nah, premium pressure. Watch it. Chair already crying. Ha ha ha. Loud laughter.
Back away from the edge.
Back away from them donuts.
You again?
Yes, your personal diet coach.
Your license is expired.
So is your fashion sense.
It's a uniform.
Uniformly ugly.
System slow.
Matches your reaction time.
Rude.
Truth hurts. Ha ha ha.
What?
Nice raccoon eyes.
It's from work.
Nah, from Zero Style.
Nothing all day.
Even crime avoiding you.
Very funny.
Just like your career highlight reel. Ha ha ha.
Don't say a word.
Too late, Latte Larry. It's hot. So is your temper.
Long shift.
Longer waistline.
You're rude.
You're sleepy and snacky.
Don't judge my food.
Oh, but that's not food. That's a sugar warehouse.
I'm bulking.
Yeah, horizontally.
This GPS is wrong.
So was your barber's judgment. Focus. I am on that hair crime.
This radio never works.
Like your knees.
I heard that.
Yeah, deaf in style only.
Ignore that noise.
Seat begging for mercy.
It's fine.
Like your diet plan. Ha ha ha.
It's regulation gear.
Looks like trash bag couture.
Watch it.
I am fashion police.
My body cam's dying.
Just like your stamina after stairs.
That's not funny.
Neither's your cardio.
Like your intimidation.
Hey!
Scariest thing is your breath.
Didn't see that.
Your belly did.
Mind your business.
Hard when it's expanding.
Standard issue.
Sounds like your joints.
Very mature.
More mature than your knees.
You missed a spot.
You missed your gym membership!
I go sometimes.
To the snack bar, yeah!
Stop running!
Stop wheezing, Darth Vader!
I'm in shape!
Round shape.
Don't drink from there.
I won't. You already contaminated
I'm
it
just resting.
on your future fitness goals.
Did you see that?
Yeah, gravity winning again.
Pick it up.
Pick up a gym habit first.
Respect the badge.
Polish your personality too.
Enough.
Bad shiny, ego shinier. Ha ha ha!